If you want to charge your Nothing Phone 4a Pro, then unfortunately the only way to do so is by using a USB cable. If you were thinking you can use a wireless charger, then unfortunately that is not the case on a Nothing Phone 4a Pro. This phone does not support wireless charging, so only a USB cable can be used in order to charge this phone. So of course, in the case of cable, you can use USB-C to USB-A, so for example this one, or USB-C to USB-C. The original cable is USB-C to USB-C, and of course you definitely probably want to use the original cable. However, if you happen to be in a situation where you cannot use your original cable, then that is completely fine. Now, if you're wondering what you should use in order to charge your phone with, then of course the best option is going to be a power adapter or charger, simply because it allows you to reach the fastest charging speed. And the second best option is going to be probably like a power bank or something like that, or your car. So these are alternatives. If you cannot use a power adapter just yet, but you need to charge your phone, then you can use a power bank, your car if it has USB port, or your computer like a PC or laptop. Of course, in the case of computer, it's going to be pretty slow. It will take a long time to actually charge a phone, but still it works if you are in a specific situation where you have to use a computer because you don't have anything else. So yeah, of course we use the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. So as long as you have cable that uses USB-C on one end, then you should be able to charge your phone via USB cord. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.